front of the center of this whole rocket. Now when I say whole rocket, that means add this dimension also. So you have to move your center of mass towards front. Now if you move more towards front, it will have larger pitch. So you have to keep a balance. You know, between the half to the 1/3 distance from this hole, it should be somewhere in between. If you can do that, you will design the perfectest of rocket. I'll simply cut a square like this, hold it to become a rectangle, triangle. And now I should be very careful to paste it in a correct way. If I paste it like this, the air is going to get inside and it is not going to fly. So I have to paste it like this, so that the air is coming and pushing at the bend, not at the fold. Okay? So I will paste it like this. Now if I need to paste it like this, I do a small craft trick, which is this way I'll have something to hold on to the body of the rocket. So now this fold can hold on to the body of the rocket, and still this bend is going to paste. What is the total degrees? 360. And I am going to paste how many fins? You can paste 4 if you want, I don't mind. You don't have to worry. The best thing is, why do we always paste 360 degrees? Why do we always paste 3 fins? Why? Why only 3 balance is the best? You know, anything that is balanced on 3 balancers can move in all the 3 planes. And if you have a 4th screw, it will not be able to move in all 3 planes, or you will need to move more screws to move in 3 planes. So with 3 things, it's easier to move anything into 3-dimensional plane. That is not the logic right here, but I am simply saying why do the wire be so affiliated with 3 as a number? So if I am going to place 3 fins, each fin should be around 120 degrees apart. So more you are precise with 120 degrees, the best roll defense you have got.